In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter drawings in Xero. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you're able to manage your drawings in Xero with confidence and ease. First, we begin by logging into the Xero accounting software. This step sets the stage for everything else we're going to do today. Ensuring you have access to the right account is crucial for maintaining your records accurately. Once you've logged in successfully, the next place you want to head to is the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the command center for all your operations within Xero. It's where you'll find a summary of your financial activities and have easy access to various functions of the software. Navigating over to the advanced section is your next move. From there, you'll be selecting the chart of accounts. Now, think of the chart of accounts as the backbone of your bookkeeping. It contains all the crucial categories for your financial entries and provides a structured overview of your finances. Once within the chart of accounts, your task is to find and click on the equity section. Here, you will notice that the system typically has a drawings code set up for you. Clicking into drawings allows you to edit details such as the name or the code. This flexibility is crucial for tailoring your chart of accounts to suit your business requirements. Personalization of these accounts can help you align better with the financial nuances of your business. Once any changes are made, always ensure you click on Save to confirm and record those changes. This way, everything you've adjusted will be properly stored, and you can avoid the frustration of losing any updates. After saving, it's time to head back to the dashboard. In the dashboard again, look for the option to reconcile items. Reconciliation helps ensure that your accounting records are accurate and reflect your financial position correctly. In the Reconcile section, your focus is to find and select the transactions related to drawings. This process keeps your accounts clear of discrepancies, ensuring that everything lines up perfectly. With the drawings transaction selected, hit Create to begin inputting the specific transaction details. Filling out the who, what, and why fields is your next step. These fields are vital because they provide context and clarity for each transaction and will make any future audits or reviews much easier. In the What field, specifically choose the drawings account code. It's important to ensure that the code is correct to avoid any misclassifications in your accounts. Wrapping things up, click OK once everything is in order. This action finalizes your entry and effectively updates your books. There you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully entered drawings in Xero with accuracy and precision. This process is essential for maintaining clear and organized financial records within your accounting software. Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing these steps to become more comfortable with managing your accounts in Xero confidently.